Everyone is wondering what will be their next form of entertainment now that the BBNaija show is over. Hi, and welcome to KOKO Weekly Rundown. So, Phyna emerged as the winner of the 7th season of the BBNaija show, and fans were overjoyed. While Phyna came first, Brian was the first runner-up, Bella second runner-up, Adekunle came fourth, Chichi came fifth, and Daniela came sixth. Phyna deserves her crown because she has shown that you don't have to be born with a silver spoon to stay at the top. Following her win, she has revealed that she might be spending her money with Groovy, and she wants their relationship to be low-key. This love is strong for her to want to share the money with Groovy. But many people do not trust Groovy because they feel he never liked her to start with. Moving on, it seems the Shella ship is no longer sailing because when Bella was asked in a recent interview about her relationship with Shex, she stated that she cannot confirm that they are dating because she just came out of the house and she wants to focus on her brand. Fans have stated that her brother must have spoken to her for her to come to that decision. How wouldn't they talk to her when Shex's ex has been dragging him for assaulting her when they were still together? Shex should clean up his house and then let Bella decide on her own. Funny enough, a lot of people stated that if Bella was not with Shex, she would have had more fans because people would have seen her real personality. Irrespective, the show is over and everyone has to live with their decisions. Beauty's birthday is coming up soon and she has been seen sending out invites. Everyone just wants to see if Phyna would attend, and if she doesn't, then it is certain that they are beefing each other. Speaking of beefing, Phyna made it known that she is Amaka's friend, but she doesn't know if Amaka is her friend because Amaka has been working with the narrative that she stole Groovy. Okay. The Level Up winner also pointed out that Amaka never congratulated her winning. Wahala be like Amaka and Phyna, but seriously, not everyone congratulates you when you win in life. Even before their reunion, there will be a lot of gossips, especially from the shippers in the house. But till then, fingers crossed. Here are cute snaps of Phyna right after she was declared the winner of the Level Up season. So that is all for this week. See ya next week.